Hello friends, welcome back to yet another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today it's all about competitions, dance competitions specifically. Indian movies have used dance competitions a lot, and these have brought in some fabulous songs as well. A lot of the leading ladies in all the languages in Indian movies have been very good dancers, especially the ones who've come from the south, right, in Bollywood. Vaijayantimala, Hema Malini, Asha Parekh, Wahida Rehman, all of these people are excellent dancers. So naturally the, producer, director would throw in a dance competition or some kind of a dance episode, and these were awesome visual spectacles as well. The first song that I have for you today is from Fir Wahi Dil Aaya Hoon. It was released in 1963 starring Joy Mukherjee, Asha Parekh. It was Nasir Hussein's second movie and his first color release. Great movie, extremely fun rom-com, and there's this scene sort of at the beginning-ish of the movie with Asha Parekh and this other lady, I do not know who she is, this actor. The two of them have this dance competition, right? And of course, Asha Parekh, being the heroine, has to win this competition. But the song is beautiful. O.P. Nayyar's music with Majrooh Sultanpuri's lyrics. And Usha Mangeshkar and Asha Bhonsle have sung for the two dancers. Dekho bijli dole bin badal ki.
Dekho bijli dole bin badal ki. Dekho bijli dole bin badal ki. Cham cham chamke माथे के बिंदिया झनन झनन धुन पायल की देखो बिजली डोले बिन बादल के देखो बिजली डोले
(1969) had this Shammi Kapoor release. Of course, I'm talking about dance competition and dancing and not having Shammi Kapoor. Can't happen, right? It was a typical Shammi Kapoor movie. He is a real prince, but he's pretending to be, is sort of disguised as a common man, exposes the villains and their villainy, blah, blah, blah. The movie is just an entertaining movie. Vaijayantimala is his co-star, and the whole movie is peppered with some lovely songs. Shankar Jaikishan's music, after all. Hasrat Jaipuri and Farooq Kaiser have shared the honors for the lyrics. I cannot remember what the reason was in the movie, but there is a dance competition between Shammi Kapoor, Vaijayantimala and Helen. The ladies, of course, are excellent dancers, so there's some beautiful dancing from both of them. Shammi Kapoor is Shammi Kapoor. He has a great time, you can tell, doing his crazy, God knows what dancing and his own adaye style and all of that. Highly entertaining. Muqabla Humse Na Karo, sung by Rafi Saab, Asha Ji and Lata Ji.
मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में, हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में।
मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में, हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में। तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में। हमारे सामने किसका चराग जलता है, हमारे सामने किसका चराग जलता है, हमारे सामने सूरज भी हाथ मलता है, हमारे सामने सूरज भी हाथ मलता है,
हमारे सामने जलवे भी सर झुकाते हैं, ये हुस्न वाले हम ही से तो हार जाते हैं।
मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, मुकाबला हमसे ना करो, हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में।
हम तुम्हें अपने रंग में रंग डालेंगे एक ही पल में।
Raj Tilak. This was released in 1958. It was a remake of a Tamil movie called Vanji Kottai Valiban. Made in Telugu also, huge hit all around. It was a Ruritanian romance. If you're not familiar with that genre, it just means that the story is set in a kind of a fake country, a fake setting altogether, which made it wonderful because there was no historical accuracy to worry about. Gemini Ganeshan, Padmini, Vaijayantimala, main leads. This dance-off is a competition between Vaijayantimala and Padmini they're both vying for Gemini Ganeshan's love. The two of them, excellent classical dancers and super graceful and light on their feet, they have, oh my God, danced their little hearts out in this particular song. Both of them have very complex choreography and they have carried it off really well. It's very classical based, so really visually it's wonderful to watch it. I would just say watch the song, you know, the movie is okay. The music was by C. Ramchandra and P.L. Santoshi has written the lyrics. Aja tu Aja Raja, fun to watch.
कहते हैं आ रहा है मौसम बहार का, आजा तू राजा आजा मौसमी बहार है, अमरुआ की मीठी तेरा इंतजार है, आजा तू राजा आजा मौसमी बहार है, अमरुआ की मीठी तेरा इंतजार है, अपनी अपनी देखो कोयलिया बोल के बड़ा मजा है, पहला पहला प्यार है, आजा तू राजा आजा मौसमी बहार है, अमरुआ की मीठी तेरा इंतजार है।
अब बनी बात।
अरे बच 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 बचना, मैं तो लाई हूँ एक तूफान, अरे हट 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 हटना, जलते हैं दिल में अरमान, अरे बच 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 बचना, मैं तो लाई हूँ एक तूफान, अरे हट 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 हटना, जलते हैं दिल में अरमान, राह में ना सुआ मैं तुझे दूं मिटा, है कयामत की हर एक अदा, तुझे देख जरा, अरे सुन 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 रे, आग भरा मेरा राग है, अरे हट हट पगली हटना, अरे दूंगी मैं तुझको मिटा, अरे दूंगी मैं तुझको जला।
ABCD, Anybody Can Dance, the first one. This came out in 2013. The story was written and directed and produced by dance choreographer Remo D'Souza. It starred Prabhudeva, K.K. Menon, and Ganesh Acharya in the main roles. It was all about dance. It was almost like a tribute to dance. And the story is about two friends who are very close. They both love dance, but there's some misunderstanding and they both, separate, form their own rival dance groups. And it ends with the finale in this huge dance-off. All the dances in the movie are very good, and it's just worth watching just for the dancing. Excellent choreography. All the extras are very, very good. And this song for the finale is very, very high energy and, gets you pumped. You want to get up and dance yourself. It's the music was by Sachin Jigar and the lyrics were by Mayur Puri. Really, nothing exceptional by way of lyrics, but just, high energy. So good. It was sung by Hardcore and then a whole chorus. The song is Sadda Dil Vi Tu. That's it for today, folks. Done with competitions, but we can come back for more. Do please write in and let me know if you have any favorites among dance competitions in other languages. Maybe we can, bring in some variety there. Anyway, let me know. I'll see you in 2 weeks. But until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.